Morning traders. I just woke up and I've prayed and I've read the Bible, so it's time for me to go get a nice shower. Shower in the morning is very important. So that's it. Let's go for a shower. Okay, now guys, we have had our shower. Everything looks great. Now let me do like 50 push-ups for the Now I'm gonna have a cup of coffee to start up the day to make my eyes more aware and alert. So yep. So I got my coffee. We're going to the charts. Yeah, it's time for business. So before I start trading, this is what I always do. So I always come to my other phone and I'll put on trading in a zone on Speechify. So I'll head on to Speechify and I'll listen to some trading in the zone because I need to get in the zone when I'm trading. So this is it. All of us have lost things, had things taken away from us, being denied things we wanted or believed we deserved. So trading in the zone, prevented from continuing an activity. Trading in the zone is a very good book and you should try it. I use Speechify to listen the book because the PDF is inside. So Speechify is a good app that you can listen to any book that you want. So this is trading in the zone, and the best thing about this is this voice is my voice. Like I prompted my voice to like do this, like hear the sound. We were in the middle of or being blocked from pursuing an idea we were passionate about. The point is that in many of these situations, we did not need to take personal responsibility for what happened to us or for the pain. That's my AI voice. That's not my real voice, baby. It came from my voice. So that's it. And now we're going to the charts. So my people, I'm currently now in this trade on GU. That's GBP USD. And I'm currently in a sell. Let me turn the camera. So I'm currently in a sell now and I'm waiting to see what the market is gonna do. Let me show you guys. So this is my live account that I'm trading right now. This is a live account on Funded Elites, from Funded Elites. I don't know, Funded Elites. So this is my live account and I'm trading GBP USD and I'm selling this market right now. Basically because we have a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. I'm expecting the market to break since it gave us a nice breakdown here. So I'm expecting it to go down and at least give me 1:1. So this is a 1:1 trade because I just want to complete the 3 trading days so I can have a payout. So this is like 1% and which is $250. So if we are successful, we're gonna have a withdrawal and I'll do the withdrawal here with you guys. So let's wait and see how the market is gonna treat us, if we're gonna have this payout. And I'm here having my coffee and I'm chilled. Let's see. So I'm listening to some Pride and our trade. We're in a little bit of profits. If the market breaks below here, if the market breaks here, I'm going on a break even. So if it breaks here, I'll be like, how do you call it? I'll be risk free on this trade. Enjoy the Pride, bro. If you know this song, you know ball. So let's go back. I don't want to distract. So that's where we are right now. So yeah, stay tuned, bro. Okay guys, so this is how our trade currently looks like, and we are in drawdown and we are floating. Let me check. Minus $77. And let's see again. I'm gonna still update you guys on this trade. So remember, this is a break-even area and it didn't reach. So let's see how the market is gonna react. Maybe it's gonna hit our stop loss, or I really don't know at this point. So let's just see and let's trust the strategy. Maybe you understand. So yep. Hello guys, so at this point I can just say G is just playing with us, and so I'm still holding the trade. As you can see here, I'm still holding this trade. So let's see how it's still gonna run. I'm still holding the trade, and that's it on TradingView. Yeah guys, let's see how it's gonna go, and I'm still holding. Yep guys, I'm still holding the trade, and yeah, we're in the zone and we are waiting. Anything that happens, if anything happens, it happens. So we're still holding. So yeah, good trade, nicely executed. Stop loss perfect. Take profit is what we're waiting for right now, and this is Friday and it's 12:44. So maybe New York session is gonna bring the market down or still take it to the upside. We never might know. But since there's a break of structure here over this major zone, yeah, this is why I'm taking this sell, because lower low, lower high, lower low, break of structure here. And that's what I was expecting for the market to still dump from here, but it didn't come to my break even. Thankfully, maybe it's still gonna come down. So let's wait and see. Let's go. And what I noticed is there's a demand zone over here, and that's why this market came back down, or maybe not. So this is a demand, the supply zone rather, sorry. So this supply zone, maybe that's what reacted to the market for it to move back down. But rest assured, we are still waiting for the market. This is how it looks like in the 1 hour. This is the 1 hour, and I think the 4 hour is more clear. It's more clear to show us that this market doesn't want us to go up to the upside. Lower low, lower high. We're expecting what? A lower low to at least give us this lower low. So let's see. It's just playing over here. I don't know what's happening. Maybe it's because of this zone here, but this is not a zone. This is the area of break of structure. As you can see, the market break structure here. I took this sell over here because it break this structure here, this structure to the right side. Then I took this sell here because it break structure here again after it was going up to the upside. And now it's coming down, break of structure, and I'm waiting. Just simple price action. This is how I took this trade. and a little bit of demand and supply, but demand and supply was just added to the confluence for me to take that entry, for me to take this entry. So let's see. Let's go back to the 1 hour. So this is how it looks like in the 1 hour, and you can see again another demand zone. The demand zone on the 1 hour, but it's more cleaner. It's more clearer in the 15 minutes, which is where this entry was taken. Let's see. Okay guys, we are currently here and we are now in break even, as you can see. Yeah, after the market was playing us, guys, I feel like gold is better than this currency pairs. Currency pairs will wind you up, bro. Like, just look at the amount of time we wasted here. You just had to just go down, but it was just playing around. So I'm now break even. Let's see how it goes, guys. Peace. Guys, can you imagine what's happening? Like, it went close to the TP, but the market said no, you're not gonna hit TP today. I cannot really force it, but it is what it is. As you can see, that's what happened. We're almost to TP. We went close to TP, guys. Like 1 pip away from TP, but the market said no. So we're now break even and we're waiting. Let's see how it goes. And now I'm eating. I'm here with my junior sister, and yeah, that's it. Peace.
What up, my people? So we had a good trade and it went eventually to break even, and we cannot complain, we cannot do anything. So that's what happened. It is what it is. It is what it is. So now we're gonna like wait for next week and see how next week is gonna look like. It's a break even trade. Yeah, that trade was a very good trade, well analyzed, and it almost went into stop loss and it came back to almost hitting TP and still went back. Bruh, that's a crazy trade, bro. But it is what it is. Sometimes when something is not for you, it's not for you. When something is not meant for you, do not force it. Trying to force it sometimes will bring out some problems or something. So that's what happened, and we are going back. And guess what? That trade went back to TP. That trade went back to CP immediately. Hit break even, but we cannot complain. That's what happens to the market. So we focus now on the next trade. We're putting our energy now on the next trade. So this is what I'll be doing during the week: meditating, reading, making sure I come back in the market with a better mindset, with the mindset of a consistently profitable trader. So my P&L remains green. This is something that we have to. I want to do in my life. I don't want to work in 9 to 5. I don't want to work for someone. I want to work for myself. This is why I'm doing this. Even though I'm working and I'm doing other things, but I know that I want to do this. It's something that I find amusing. It's something that caught my attention. Trading is something that caught my attention, and I want to go through this journey. So if you feel like you want to do trading, make sure that you are serious with this, because if you are serious with this and you pull it off, bro, your life will change. Your life will change drastically. You will not understand how your life will change, but drastically your life will change. So if you want to really trade, guys, take it seriously and do not waste any time. Do not waste any time doing other things that are useless. Focus to the mind. I can tell you that, bro, the amount of work I've done to like make sure I keep my mind in check, bro. The person I was before trading is somebody else as compared to now. I've changed a lot. My ways, my friends. There are people looking at me now, they're like, bro, is this really you? Is this the Brian I know? Is this like, because trading has drastically changed my personality, and it has not changed it for the bad, it has changed it for the good, even though there's a trauma in it. So trading brings back all your trauma and it brings you back in a different type of way. Trading tests you. Trading tests your anger levels. Trading tests your patience levels. Trading tests your pride. I feel like trading will bring out all the 7 deadly sins out of your body, bro. Trading will pick out all the deadly sins and will show you that no, bro, you're not a good person. Yeah, you're not a good person. Because in your life, you're the only one that has to make this particular rule now. Nobody's controlling you. You don't have a boss. You don't have anybody. Why can't you make this work? Because you are not a good person. It checks you, like trading checks you out. The other people do businesses that they can do it, they can do mistakes and they can steal and do all the crooked stuff to like make success through the window. In trading, there's no window. In trading, is extreme discipline. The only way you can try to make money in trading by scamming people, because it's an industry. In all industries, there's scamming. But when you talk about professional trading and profitable trading has to do with like virtue, bro. The amount of virtue that you need to have, even though you are not like virtuous, the amount of discipline that you have, bro. You'll be like glowing. Your aura will glow eventually. Profitable traders are very different people. So if you see any profitable traders, like, respect them because they have done a lot of work. And if you are the profitable trader that your aura is not like that, maybe you came out from a home where they never told you no, or you came out from a very sweet home, or your mindset was never being limited by the people around you. But as for people that grew up from other homes, it's quite different. So yeah, that's what I have for you guys for today, guys. Please like, share, subscribe, follow, and do the needful. I'll be doing more videos like this. Thank you very much. Peace.